Sarah. Oh, so close, Sarah. So close. Oh! Wanna try it again? There you go. Oh, oh. Ah, you made it. Good girl. Good girl, Sarah. Now what are you gonna do? Hi. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I'm not sure we have enough boxes. Did you find another box, Sarah? Where are you, Sarah? There you are. Yeah, can't keep up with you. Sarah. Hi. And he's still fascinated by the shoebox. I think there's foil in there. And you're just going in circles. That's not your litter box. Just so we're clear. Still fascinated by the shoebox. Sarah will help you with that. Bye, Sarah. Hi, Zach! Zach! Is the foil still in there? Oh, you just knocked it off. Where is it? There it is! Good Zach.